Okay, dear students, now we are discussing 8th chapter similar triangles 10th class basic proportionality theorem, or we can say in short form BPT. Means basic, B means basic, P means proportionality, T means theorem, or we can say Thales theorem also, Thales theorem. So they will give question in 10th class. Sometimes they will give this statement, otherwise state and prove Thales theorem or BPT or basic proportionality theorem. Okay, see for this statement, see this is the statement. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Means here what they given here, solution or proof we can write here. It is theorem, now we are writing here proof. Okay, given triangle ABC, otherwise we have to take any triangle we can take here. Let triangle ABC. So I am taking here triangle ABCC. Here A, B, C. What they given here? If a line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle. So I am drawing one line parallel to BC. So this one you take DE. So here I am taking here DE parallel to. So here draw DE parallel to BC. So DE parallel to BC I draw. Okay, so draw parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. Draw means it intersect AB at D and AC at E. Okay, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Means when you draw a line parallel to any one side of a triangle, it divides other two sides. Other two sides means which one are there here? AB and AC there. So here to prove, what we have to prove here? To prove see here AD by DB. So to prove AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. This one we have to prove. For this what we have to do, see first. So again one more we have to draw. So here I am drawing here NC. EN perpendicular to draw EN perpendicular to AB. AB you take. Means you draw one perpendicular line. First this I will explain, next I will tell that one. See, so draw EN perpendicular to AB. So see this perpendicular means it make 90 degrees. So we have to take here height of the triangle. Height of this whole triangle we will take. Why means in a room we have to take height will be same we will take now. So this EN we have to take height. So anywhere you take height of the triangle equal to EN we will take. That you remember here. So see here, so draw EN perpendicular to AB. Again one more also we have to draw here DM perpendicular to AC. Next I will explain. So first you compare here. Which one you have to compare? See. So again you join. So we have to join. Which one you have to join here? See. Join EB. Join EB. So I am joining this. So now see here two triangles are there. I am taking here in triangle ADE. I am taking here triangle ADE and triangle BDE. Already we know. So area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Base into height. We know this. Remember this one answer. We have to use here. So area of the triangle equal to half into base into height. Now see, in triangle ADE, I am taking a ADE. In triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, so area I am finding here. Means otherwise you take direct here in triangle ADE. So here AB means AB is the base. Means here AD you take. AD is the base. EN is the height. So here area of I am taking here area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE equal to area of triangle ADE equal to half into base. Here base equal to this AD I am taking. So here perpendicular line here there na. So AD I am taking here base. AD as a base into height equal to we have to take here EN I am taking here. Height equal to EN. Okay. Next one more see. In triangle see. In triangle BDE I am taking. Next means again I am finding here area of triangle BDE. BDE means which one will come? This BDE. This part will come. So for this here also half into base. Base means we have to take BD. We have to take as a base. BD we have to take base and height equal to see. In a triangle height will be same. So EN we can take here also height will be same will come. So height I am taking here, EN only I am taking here. So here only little confusion we will get. Why means here EN here there now why you are taking height here means. So suppose in a one room we have to take height will be same only. So like that we have to take here EN as a height. So I taken here EN as a height. Now ratio we have to find now. So ratio find out here. Area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to. So ratio y means divide in the same ratio means area of triangles also we have to take the ratio. Okay. Now here area of triangle AD equal to what you got here half into AD into EN divided by here half into BD into EN. Okay, here half there you cancel it here EN you cancel it. Now here area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE equal to what you got here? Here half it here BD not BD into. So here AD by BD you get it. So you take as a equation number 1. Next see again here see here next I am drawing here another perpendicular line from D to AC. Okay, so here perpendicular line I am drawing. Okay, so afterwards I will draw this. I will draw this one. See this one you observe here. So I draw here this one M I taken. So DM again here only we have right here DM perpendicular to AE. AE not here AC. We are taking here AC. DM perpendicular to AC. Okay. Next you join it these two. Which one you have to join here? This spot it DC you join it. Now here I am taking here in triangle area of triangle ADE. Now I am finding here area of triangle ADE equal to here also ADE taken, but here height equal to this one we taken. Now here also I am taking one more height here DM I am taking here. DM of the height of this whole triangle. So here off into base. Base means we have to take here AE, we have to take base. AE into height equal to DM, we have to take DM. Okay. Next again area of triangle. Here I am taking a CDE. Area of triangle CDE. CDE I am taking. So equal here also off into base. Base equal to which one is there here? This CD means base. I am taking a EC into height equal to same you take here. Here E and how you taken here also DM height will be same you take. Now ratio find out here. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE equal to, write it here, off into AE into DM divided by off into EC into DM. Off will cancel. DM will cancel. Now here area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE equal to, here which one is there here? AE by EC. So it is you take equation number 2. Okay, now I am drawing. See here, before I one perpendicular line you draw now, this here no? Now here join this one also, here also join EB and here also and join CD also. CD, right? Okay. Now see here these two triangles. Which one see here? BDE. BDE means DE common coming and CDE means here DE common coming. So these two triangles BDE and CDE. Okay. Triangle BDE and CDE. Triangle CDE have common base DE. So triangle BDE and triangle CDE have common base DE and between the same parallels which one here? DE and BC. Okay, same parallels. Actually here DE not here. What we taken here? DE parallel to, we have to take here DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Same parallels. DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Okay. Now see, 9th class one property is there. When two triangles have same base and between the same parallels, the areas of triangles are equal. So areas of triangles are equal. So based on that, we have to apply that property. Then we will get the required answer. Okay. Now see here what you got here. So this both BDE and CDE have same parallels and between the same parallel lines. So then area of triangle CDE equal to area of triangle CDE equal to area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle BDE. These both are equal. Areas of triangles are equal. Now see from 1 and 2. See, suppose here 2 is there. You take from 2. You take from 2. Okay. Now you write it from 2. Which one is there? Area of triangle ADE divided by, see here CDE, area of triangle CDE, area of CDE equal to how much here? Area of triangle BDE. So area of triangle CDE place we have to substitute triangle BDE. So here I am taking here area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle BDE equal to, here which one is there here? AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay. Now see, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE equal to, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to, here how much is there? AD by BD. So AD by BD. This one as is write it. How you got this here? From 1. From 1. So we got now here to prove means AD by DB equal to AE by EC na. Therefore means hence proved, right? That's all. Hence proved. Okay. Last year this correction starting at perpendicular I got, but it is not a perpendicular. It is a parallel line. That is the correction. This will be same also. Very important this one. If you come, either theorem will come, otherwise they will ask one question also will ask based on this basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Thank you for watching Rankers Academy YouTube channel.